That's my shirt.
Is that Birdie?
She's in my nightgown.
Is it Birdie? Birdie
Yep.
always goes up my nightgowns and pants and everything. She's funny.
Excuse me.
Oh my gosh. He found his own paw because I wouldn't give him my hand.
Are you really?
And he just... Oh my gosh. We're trying to wean him from using our hands. And so he found his paw. But it's so cute. How do you stop that?
Tommy, you're neurotic. He's definitely not hungry. He eats.
Birdie is going nuts with your shirt. He's just looking at him like he'll let you do anything to him while he's nursing. You're not scared? Not do anything to you? You're so cute. Aww. He's holding his own paw up to his face.
Honey.
He's getting on my shoulder.
His mommy is right there.
Yeah, for everybody who's just like, he needs his mommy. She was literally right there.
And here's a bowl of dry food. And he gets tons of wet food throughout the day.
He's big. He's not skinny.
Big baby. No, he's just special. Birdie, what are you doing?
He's even pushing his face more forward to be able to nurse.
You just transferred him to my lap and he didn't stop?
No. He's even gonna fall.
I wonder if he does this to go to sleep when we're not in here.
I don't think so.
So then why does he do... It's just interesting. Because he's with his siblings and his mommy.
Usually he plays when I'm in here. Maybe.